This video shows how to buy shares of Upstream Bio Inc., a biotechnology company focused on upstream bioprocessing, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker UPB. This is an educational demonstration only and not financial advice. Investing carries risks. To proceed, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID, and to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker UPB to locate Upstream Bio Inc. on NASDAQ. Verify the company name and market listing to ensure you select the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the live price chart to get basic context about the business. Confirm the listing details match Upstream Bio Inc. before proceeding. Click Investor Buy. Choose the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirmation. After the buy is confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example eToro page is in the description if you want to follow these steps.